Does he say anything?
No, I don't think so.
Hands.
We're making a TikTok and I just want to show you the lengths that we're going to for this.
Hang on, wait, how do I stitch this? Go to the original. No!
Screen record and then upload it separately.
How dare How do we screen record without all this shit on it?
It'll have it on.
Wait, how did they do it? Wait, see if you can stitch. Oh, because you can't stitch a stitch. You have to go to the original. Oh, thank gosh. Oh, God. Oh, God.
Oh, God. I don't know how I got this short end of the. Ow, my chin is on my head. Ow.
Hands.
Hands. Jenna, are you wearing pants? Oh my God, be careful. Oh, never mind. You are.
I mean, I have, you know.
I'm on
Okay.
Instagram Live. Please don't keep it close for too long. I'm closer.
Okay, we're gonna start. Ready? So you're gonna feel me go like that.
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Okay.
Hands. So clunky.
This makes it better.
I love it. Okay.
Wait,
now.
can we show it to them, please?
Oh wait, that's not it. No wait.
Did you already save it?
Are you guys ready to see the masterpiece? It's so loud.
It makes it funnier, honestly.
Okay.
Can you hand me the pan?
I'm gonna do it with me doing it now.
Okay, I'll do it on my
So do it on
TikTok.
your-